Good day, Lormanians! I am Friedrich Ivan Hakla, bringing the latest news from Lormanian News Update. Here are the top stories of the week. Lorma Ligayang Pasko 2025, Lorma Colleges welcome the holiday season with lights and celebration. Lorma Colleges joins UI Green Metric World University Ranking 2025. Psychology Week, exploring the stories we create. Pharmacy Week, a celebration of service, wellness, and community. Catch up the recent happenings here at the Lorma channel. Last December 2, 2025, Lorma Colleges, in collaboration with the Sangguniang Mag-aaral ng Lorma, student leaders and academic departments ushered in the festive season with Lorma Ligayang Pasko Christmas lighting ceremony at the CHS Quadrangle. The event filled the campus with booths, beats, spotlights, and holiday cheers, bringing students, faculty, and staff together for a memorable evening. The celebration opened the dynamic hosting by SML President Almira Rendon and VP CHS Kervon Garcia. Guests were then treated to a beautiful Christmas serenade by Lorma Deo Chorale, whose harmonies set a heartwarming tone for the night. This was followed by an energetic performance from the Sanduli Dance Troupe, whose beat of the Christmas spirit number brought excitement and festive energy to the crowd. Throughout the event, attendees also enjoyed the Christmas Lormart booths, where creative student works, crafts, and holiday treats were showcased and sold, adding color and community engagement to the celebration. A crowd favorite was Pasko Stage Holiday Hits Showdown, where talented Lormanians performed viral Christmas hits, trending dances, and creative holiday-themed acts. The segment captured the joy, creativity, and togetherness of the season. The highlight of the evening was the symbolic Christmas lighting ceremony, illuminating the CHS Quadrangle and officially marking the beginning of Lorma College's holiday festivities. With vibrant performance and creative showcases and a strong sense of community, Lorma Ligayang Pasko 2025 successfully lit up not only the campus grounds but also the heart of every Lormanian who's attended. Last December 5, 2025, Lorma Colleges proudly represented the Philippines at the UI Green Metric Ranking 2025 results and award ceremony held in Taiwan. This global event featured 1,547 higher education institutions or HEIS from 105 countries, with this year's top 10 most sustainable universities coming from Europe, Netherlands, Ireland, UK, Germany, Italy, the United States, and Brazil. In its first ever participation in this international ranking from Green Campus Initiatives and Environmental Stewardship, Lorma Colleges placed number 1,238 worldwide. The institution demonstrated notable strength in the categories of energy and climate change, transportation, setting in infrastructure, and education and research. Meanwhile, areas identified for improvement include waste management and water conservation. This milestone marks an important starting point as Lorma Colleges intensifies its commitment to sustainability and global impact and stewardship, two of its four institutional pillars, alongside Lormanian success and a culture of well-being. The ranking serves as a baseline for continuous effort toward a greener, more global responsive campus. As part of its forward-looking initiatives, Lorma Colleges also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with National Chinan University, ranked number 30 in the 2025 Green Metric Rankings. This partnership is set to pave the way for expanded academic exchanges, research collaboration, and joint sustainability projects. Lorma Colleges was represented in the ceremony by Dr. Carol Lynn Macagba, President of Lorma Colleges. The College of Psychology celebrated Psychology Week last November 26 to 27, 2025 with the theme Beyond the Surface, Understanding the Stories We Create. The two-day event highlighted both learning and creative across various activities. The celebration opened with the Psych booth at the MB lobby, featuring interactive display and activities that allowed students to explore key psychological concepts. A basic sign language session was also conducted promoting inclusivity and improving communication awareness within the community. On the following day, the program formally began with messages from the psychology advisors, followed by an exciting frisbee where students showcased their knowledge and teamwork. A poster-making activity encouraged artistic expression centered on the week's theme. The event concluded with the recognition of board passers and awarding ceremony honoring the achievements of psychology students and celebrating academic excellence within the program. Psychology Week 2025 successfully highlighted the value of understanding human stories, promoting empathy, and enriching the learning experience for future psychology professionals. The College of Pharmacy successfully celebrated Pharmacy Week 2025 with a series of activities that underscored community service, student engagement, and gratitude. The week-long event showcased the dedication of future pharmacists in promoting health, wellness, and meaningful community involvement. This celebration opened on November 20 with the Herbal Plant Survey, a community extension activity in Barangay Cabalitucan, Luna, La Union. Students and faculty collaborated to identify and document local medicine plants, strengthening their understanding of natural remedies while supporting community awareness of herbal health practices. Pharmacy Week continued on December 1 at the Lorma Carlatan School Quadrangle, where BSP3 students led a morning exercise session during the institutional flag raising ceremony. A pharmacy student booth was also featured, offering educational materials and interactive displays prepared by the students. On December 3, activities moved to the Lorma Carlatan Campus Pavilion with a communal breakfast potluck followed by a Thanksgiving Mass led by school chaplain Pastor John Stephen Digois. The celebration then shifted to a lively variety show where students showcased their creativity and talents. The week concluded on December 4 with engaging and light-hearted activities at the pavilion, including maze racing and movie watching, giving students an opportunity to unwind, bond, and celebrate the final day of the event. Pharmacy Week 2025 highlighted the value of service, teamwork, and wellness, reflecting the commitment of Lorma colleges to nurturing compassionate, knowledgeable, and global competent healthcare professionals. And those are the latest news from the month. I am Friedrich Ivan Hakla, shaping a future through service, well-being, and education. This is Lormania News Update.